Right, so this is the latest version of the O3 Schools application, and I want to quickly show you how you can make use of the question search feature. All right, and there's the question search feature right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to click on it now. So basically, the question search feature helps you to search for question on any topic, and then any question that has been set on that topic from past years, okay, will come out for you to answer. All right, so let us experiment that. Let's say, for example, we want to use the feature, click on question search. Once it opens, then you can select the subject you want. Okay, so let's say we want to study, it could work for any subject. Okay, let's say biology. All right, let me just put reproduction. Okay, so all I need to do after putting the topic on this, okay, so basically it does not search for years. I cannot say 2000 and this year this number this, or 2000 and this number this, or 2019 number 38. No, that's not how it works. So it uses keywords, okay, or uses what topics. Okay, so you can choose a topic, okay, from what from the subject you want to search on. All right, so now let us say reproduction. So all you need to do now is to click on what this search button here. Okay, so once you do that, you see it was searching. And then, of course, you see was several questions, all right? Where reproduction has what been set, all right? 2023, 2009, 2023, 2006, 2007. Okay, and again, one new thing you are seeing here is that the questions have been classified according to how difficult they are, right? So you have the basic one, okay, the signifying that is very easy. If you click on it now, you see, which following is not a method of reproduction in animals, all right? Sexual reproduction, body sporulation. Okay, obviously you know that what the sporulation is the answer, so it's easy. Okay, that's why it is called basic here. All right, now this number 2009, number 4, you can see here is difficult. All right, okay, so it works for any subject basically. Okay, let us change the subject. Okay, let's say we're searching for let's say government. Where's government? All right, so we can just simply say search for power, for example, power. All right, so then click on the search button. All right, so anywhere power question has been set, you see a lot of questions. Okay, so what you do, open. All right, you can see it here. I said in a federal constitution, the legislative powers that are shared by 2 levels of government are referred to as. All right, so anything that has to do with power, okay, anywhere where the information power in past questions, all right, it will come out, all right, for you to be able to answer. And this helps you because after studying a particular topic, all right, you can cement your understanding about that topic by using the question search feature to search for questions. And the way if you want to retain what you have studied or what you have read, the best way is to answer a lot of questions on it. Okay, so I advise you strongly that immediately you finish studying a particular topic on your syllabus, go to the question search feature, search for a lot of questions, answer all of them, gain understanding, get insight about how examiners set questions. Because most times these examiners, they do not set direct and straightforward question. They try to confuse you and bend the questions. All right, so this is to your advantage. So it works for any subject, biology, even mathematics. Okay, physics, you can use it for any subject. English, okay, you can use it for literature and so on and so forth. All right, so please, I know that if you do not activate your app, all right, you will not get full access to this application. All right, so if you want to activate your app, you can scroll to this one that says message 09121 515246 on WhatsApp to get activation key. So what you simply do, you can just come here and you can click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to WhatsApp directly. All right, if you click on it now, you see WhatsApp is opening. All right, okay, but I do not want to go there. All right, so that is that for that. And if you want to activate your app, this app is activated already. All right, so that is all. Once you message this number on WhatsApp, you get instruction on how you can get your activation key. Get your activation key, start preparing immediately. You have no time to waste, okay? You have no single time to waste at all. And this is completely legit. 100,000 students, okay, have used it last year, and they are testifying of the goodness. can check our testimonies on YouTube. You see how a lot of people have passed using this application, okay? And your case will not be different. I wish you all the best. All right. If you have any question on question search, all right, just message this number on WhatsApp also. Just click on this one here. Click on it to take you to WhatsApp. All right. If you want to visit want to download the WIAC app, click on this also. It take you to Play Store directly. If you want to visit our YouTube, click on this also. All right. It takes you to our YouTube directly. All right. As you can see, then you can go to the playlist and then select the subject that you want to study. It's all there for you. All right. So I wish you all the best. See you in the next one.